Subscribe to our channel if you like the recipe. What is your favorite fall dessert? If you like my recipe, don't forget to tap the like button. It's free and help me a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my recipe. It's free, and it's helping us a lot. Thanks. Wow, looks delicious. It looks perfect with 2 layers of apples.